With a lot of F33 series BMWs, the brake lights will eventually fail because of the ground wire. So first you're going to take out the plastic Phillips screw that's right there. Next is going to be taking off these little nuts. Obviously we've already disassembled it. Just put it back together for the demonstration. Go ahead and yank that out and pull this little connector here. Then you're going to pull each of these little tabs to pop this out. And what you're going to want to look at is inside here. You can see the third pin is basically invisible because it's all melted.
So what we're going to try to do is solder this back together.
You can get soldering irons just about anywhere these days. Walmart, Advance, O'Reilly's, whatever. Shouldn't be more than like 40 bucks. Sandpaper to pull the old shit off.
Yeah. And in order to solder it properly, you need to heat the metal up too that you're soldering together. Otherwise, whenever you put that solder on there, it's going to be a cold solder joint and it's just going to break right back off. As soon as you get a couple heat cycles through it, it's just that solder's just going to fall right back off.
So what would you tell somebody if it was their first time buying this shit and soldering?
Get some cheap shit and practice first. So what you want to do is heat the metal that you're soldering together up as well, so that whenever you do get the solder on it, it actually mates the metals properly. Use something, when you're first trying, use something that you're probably not going to need.
Yeah, like a broken clock or something like that, right?
Yeah. And if you take a look really close at that soldering joint, you can see you can't see a crease in there anymore. It's really nice and neat. There's not really anything sticking around or anything like that. So that's going to hold a lot better than the previous solder that was on here. I'm going to turn the car on, see if it works. Nothing. Oh wait, there we go. Yeah, we're working.